Hi, welcome back. My name is Simon. In this video, we are going to be continuing from the previous video. So from the previous video, we created an extrusion. Okay, so we only have one part. Now, what we're going to do from that part is we are going to create several other parts in addition to this one part. So we can be able to add to this one part right here that we have. Alright, so to do that, again, just like we started in the previous video, we are going to look for the tab called Sketch right over there. Right under the Sketch, find a tool that you need to be able to use. Now with time, we are going to go through each of these tools and you're going to learn how to be able to use each individual tool. In the last video, we used the rectangle. In this video, we are going to use a circle. Now, if you click right over here down the circle, you see there's different ways that you can be able to generate that. Okay. In this part, I'm going to be able to focus on center point. So I'll select that center point right over there. Then I'll come to my part here, the extruded part that we created. Now I'll choose which part would I like to be, which side would I like to be able to make changes to or to add features. I'm gonna go with the top. So for that, I'm going to left click once right on the top. As I left click on the top, notice that the part that you have is going to be reoriented. And you're going to see there either the top, front, or left, depending on the view that you are on. Does it make sense? Okay, so depending on the view that you chose, this view cube here is going to give you that view. For now, what we do have is the top. Alright, so from the top here, now I'm going to decide where would I like to draw the feature that I'd like to draw. Now I'm just going to select a random place right over here, say that I'm going to edit this part right on top. And then I'm going to go to dimension, click on the dimension, then I can select where would I like to dimension this part. How would I like to dimension this part? Now I'll choose, okay, I'm going to say this is 50 and on the side I would like to say maybe this is going to be 25. Alright. Okay. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to say finish my sketch. And I'm going to go to my 3D part right over there. And if you see right over there, if you're still looking for the finish tab, the finish tab is right over there, the mark there. You just click on it and that tells you that you are done with what you were doing. If you want to come back to this sketch in case you have forgotten something or you did not include something, you simply go to the left hand side right over here and find extrusion 1. Now under this extrusion 1, there will be a drop down box right over there that shows the number of sketches that are inside of this solid body that we previously created. Now I can tell that the sketch that I previously just created is sitting right over there. I'll right click there and say edit sketch. Now it takes me back to that sketch. And right here, I can then go to dimension and I'll add a dimension here and say, okay, how much would I like this to be? I say, okay, I would like this to be 30. Right over there, boom. I see it gives you a circle with a diameter of 30. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'll go to my 3D right over there and I'll just click finish sketch there, so you can see now that the color even has changed, illustrating, showing that this sketch is now being fully defined. Right, I'm gonna go right over there to my 3D and I'm gonna go to extrude again. If it does not select immediately after you go to extrude, you simply just gonna go ahead and click inside of that circle and it should be able to extrude. And from here, you can select the height of extrusion that you need to be able to work with. Now in this video, I'm just gonna focus on adding material to it. And in another video, following this, I'll focus on how to remove material from this height. Okay. So let's go ahead and add say the distance, our distance A right over there, which is our extrusion distance, to now be 10. Right over there, I'm going to say enter, and we have added material to our solid body. Okay, that's the part that I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me, then I'll be able to assist you. For now,